Clickbank, how to promote products from scratch. Welcome boys and girls. First off, we need to create an account. Now, if you don't have a Clickbank account yet, you can go to my channel and watch one of my videos, how to sign up for Clickbank. It takes you through the process step by step. I already have an account, so I'm just gonna log in right here. After we're taken to this page, we wanna go to the affiliate marketplace page. From here, I usually click on top offers. And the first one which we get is this Pro Dentum. Now I'm gonna go over some abbreviations. Now, gravity score, this essentially means how popular a product is. So 567 is extremely popular, so that means many people are promoting it. You will have competition. The conversion rate and the dollars earned per conversion is how much you get for one sold commission. So one person buys this product from your link, you will get $135. So that is a lot of money to be made. I'm going to use this as an example and I'm going to show you how you can promote it. So with these products, you either need to get approval or you don't. As you can see, for Pro Dentum, everybody can promote this product. But if we scroll down a little bit further, right here, as you can see, we have approval required. So if you want to promote Kera Essentials, for example, you will need to get approved before you get your promotion affiliate link. But for Pro Dentum, we do not need that. So all we have to do is click on promote. You have to write your nickname account and you want to create a hop link. Now, this link is essentially what you need to copy and promote everywhere. But look at how long it is. People might think this is suspicious and not click on it. So what I recommend doing is going to bit.ly.com and then just shortening the link. Paste your affiliates link right here and just click on shorten. As you can see, now this looks way neater, way tidier, and people are more likely to click it. So we're just gonna copy this. And where can we promote this? Now, essentially this link, everybody who clicks through it and makes a purchase, you will get a commission for it. That is how Clickbank affiliate marketing works. Now, where can we promote it? I will show you 3 platforms where people are promoting Pro Dentum and how they're doing so. The first platform is the platform you're watching this video on. It is YouTube. This person right here has made a video on Pro Dentum, review what others won't tell you. He has a catchy video title. His video is informative and basically he just gives you information about the product. And as you can see, here he has given his bit.ly link. Now that is his affiliate marketing link. He has done the same thing. He has shortened it, right? And if you click on it, you get taken to the Pro Dentum page. As you can see, it is Clickbank affiliated. So he gets a commission if somebody makes a purchase from within this page that we've opened up. So that is one way of how you can promote Clickbank products through YouTube. Alright, so the second platform which I want to show you is Instagram. As you can see, this profile is not very popular at all. They have just uploaded or re-uploaded some images and they're essentially just promoting the product again. They don't have many followers, probably not many people click on it, but they have given their affiliate link or they have placed it in the description. So if somebody was to click on it, as you can see, it takes you to this page, Pro Dentum, and people, if they make a purchase, again, they will get a commission. Best platform for promoting Clickbank affiliate products would be TikTok. I think that is very obvious, but it is the highest growing platform currently. So I'm going to use this guy as an example. Buy products now. As you can see, his name is Pro Dentum. He has 202k followers. Just uploads videos like this, repeating the same videos over and over again. Does your breath smell even after brushing?
Does your breath smell even after brushing?
And he has this link. He has not even shortened it in his description of his TikTok page. So if we click on it again, it is going to take us to the Pro Dentum website, and if somebody makes a purchase, he gets a commission. So this is how we promote Clickbank products. So if I wanted to promote a product from Clickbank, I would go last place Instagram, second place YouTube, and first place TikTok. TikTok is the best product promotion page. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.